Hello, I am Dr. Muralidhar Panchakula from healthcare industry. I have put up almost 25 plus years of service in healthcare industry ranging from pharma, diagnostics and hospital industries. Among that, 20 years I have spent with pharma industry, and in that 20 years also, major stint I spent with Dr. Reddy's Labs. It amounted almost to 11 years in Dr. Reddy's Labs. So during that 11 years stint of Dr. Reddy's Labs, I happened to meet many leaders. Among them, the best leader I rate as is Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak, whom I admire a lot. It's my pleasure to share some of the information about Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak. As the name itself denotes that this personality is always a calm and tranquil person, and with lot of reading capability. Pathak, the name says that he always keeps on reading and learning. So whenever he takes up any new thing or whenever he meets a person, he tries to learn inquisitively and understand and read. So the name actually suffices to himself. Now coming to his professional stint, Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak, I think he entered into Dr. Reddy's Labs somewhere in 1994, whereas I entered into Dr. Reddy's Labs in 2001. So I know this personality since almost 2 decades, and we got together placed in one division by name Ventura, a vertical of Dr. Reddy's Labs, since 2005. And Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak, as far as my knowledge goes, he believes in simple 3 R's: recruit right, retain right, and reward right. This is his simple principle. Whenever he takes up any team, he tries to first recruit right person, and he tries to retain them at right type of approach. Then the moment he starts performing, he will never be conducive to reward that personality. And Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak is one such leader, having rarest qualities like motivating the team through his personal involvement and empowerment. Whenever he is leading any team, he will give lot of empowerment to the team, and at the same time this person encourages lot of experimentation when team goes to task performance. This experimentation, the second part of it, whether it is successful or not, is the secondary aspect for him. His only motto is his team should keep on trying new things all the times. So with this empowerment and freedom for the person to try new things, definitely will lead to good performance, and it has been shown also in many occasions. And Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak is one person who has brought strategic alliances concept into Dr. Reddy's Labs. For example, way back in 2006, Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak has successfully enrolled a strategic alliance with one company from California. It is from San Diego by name Symbiotic, to bring a synthetic colostrum into India for increasing immunity. And he is one more personality who has introduced a concept of usage of zinc into diarrhea, with a good conglomeration from top pediatricians like Dr. P.P. Maya from Bangalore. They have brought a concept of usage of zinc in diarrhea by the introduction of a brand by name Z&D in Dr. Reddy's Labs. So like this, Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak has enrolled different verticals with strategic alliances in pain management, pulmonology, as well as in pediatrics. He has made his own dent in Dr. Reddy's Labs by introducing lot of strategic alliances inside the company, and he is the person behind the introduction of two different verticals separately, one for pulmonology and one for hospital business. He is the man behind these two verticals. Now, coming to the rewarding aspect as a leader. Initially, when he is projecting annual budgets itself, he is such a proactive personality. While taking the budgets and targets from the company, he will get enrolled the budgets that are required for felicitating the good performance also inside the scene. When any team performs excellently well, this person will never be conducive in rewarding them, even at the even if it takes to the level of taking them to exotic locations in domestic or international fronts. It is immaterial to him. As long as they are good performance, he believes in they need to be appropriately rewarded. So all these things will make him as a good leader and a fantastic leader to be worked with. And as a person, if you look at Mr. Prashant Kumar Pathak, is highly jovial personality, and whenever it comes to the level of cracking jokes also, it will be so welcomed by the other person who are listening. There won't be any single element of sarcasm in when he is humorous at his front. I think this is one leader having rarest qualities whom I admire in my career. Thank you.